Have you ever wondered how people find weak spots in their computers and networks before bad guys do? That's what vulnerability scanning is all about. It's like having a friendly detective who checks your house for unlocked doors and windows so you can fix them before a thief shows up. Big companies have made special software called vulnerability scan engines. Some are called Qualys, Rapid7, and Tenable. These smart programs search through computers, printers, smart TVs, light bulbs, and other devices on your network, looking for vulnerability problems. They compare what they find with big lists called the National Vulnerability Database, NVD, and the Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures, CVE. To find problems, scanners use two methods like checking house safety. The first is unauthenticated scanning, which is like someone walking outside a house, looking through windows and trying doors to see if anything is open, without using any keys or passwords. That's how a scanner checks devices from the outside, without any special access. This is good for checking things that are exposed to the internet, like web servers, just to make sure there are no big problems. Authenticated scanning is like giving someone trusted keys to your house. With special passwords called credentials, the scanner is allowed inside systems to check hidden files and settings. It looks deeper than normal scans to find problems most people can't see. These scans usually find more weaknesses than the unauthenticated ones. Scanners have choices about what kinds of problems they look for. By default, most scanners look for safe problems using gentle checks that don't disturb anything running. These are good for important computers that can't be stopped, like those working in a store or hospital. There are also harder checks, which might break things, so those are only used in test computers. Sometimes businesses want the scanner to look for just one kind of danger. Maybe a famous new bug is on the news, and everyone wants to know if their computers have it. Or maybe they have rules, like the PCI standard for credit cards, and they need to make sure those rules are followed. When to scan is also important. Even gentle scans can slow your computers a little, so people often run them at night or when fewer people need to use the network. If a business works at night, the scan might run during the day when things are quieter. And scans aren't just done once. They need to happen often to keep up with new bugs appearing and old ones getting fixed. In the end, vulnerability scanning is like giving your computer system a regular safety checkup. It helps you spot problems early so you can fix them and keep everything running smoothly and safely.